Hi guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to add and embed a HTML code in your Google sites, then this video is for you. Right now I'm on a website named Elf site, which will allow us to add some widgets, interesting widgets on our Google sites or websites that make us our website pretty much cool, and it will complete our website with some useful widgets like the Google reviews. All in on reviews are from builders. So make sure that you have go with it. This is actually the paid version here, and if you want to go with the free version here, you can find all the free versions here. So for example, I want to add AI chatbot for on my sites, Google sites. So I'm going to go with AI chatbot here. Now I have to choose a template here, so let it be load up. It has just loaded the template here. So the virtual assistant, the first one is virtual assistant. There virtual assistant, the second type here, or the fourth type here, or you can go with this dark mode here, or this one. So I'm going to with this black and white theme here. So continue with this template. Now you have to enter the website URL. So let me enter my website's URL. So I'm going to go to view publish site here. Now this is my Google site actually. Now you have to view your public site here. Now I'm going to choose right now this one, like this. I'm going to choose the URL here. Now you have to paste the URL. Now tap on analyze and assistant or retrieving website details here. So it's just viewing the details. Here you can see it is creating instructions by it itself. So you don't need to do anything. You don't need to code the AI. You don't need to instruct the AI, or you don't need to know the machine learning things, anything. You don't need that. Now you can just go with training. You can add some files if you download it, and after that you can set the behavior here. Now theme and the general here. Now you just need to tap on publish. After completing this all the AI chatbot, you just need to tap on publish. You can download a AI chatbot file from ChatGPT or OpenAI or any other thing. So you can just download that file, and you can just input that file in the chatbot. Now I'm going to go with this free version here. So here you can see I have just created the AI chatbot, that answers the AI chatbot. So you have to tap on this three dot button here, and here you'll find the embed code. Now tap on it, and this is the code that we can embed to our web. You can just tap on this copy code here. Now go to the sites dashboard where we can just edit it. Now I'm going to add a section here. So just like this, I'm going to add space here. So a blank space. Let's go with this one here. So I'm going to add this. Now I'm going to delete all of them from here. Sorry, not that actually. So I'm going to add some, actually the chars. I'm going to add blank here for just like this. I'm going to add a collapsible groups here. Now like here, and yes, I'm going to delete this collapse here. So in this section I can just tap on embed button here, and I can just you have to go to the embed code. So let me show you again. Tap on this embed button here and go to embed code, and here you have to paste that embed code that we have just copied from this elf site here. And now tap on next, and here you will find the preview of the chatbot. Here it is. Now you can just tap on insert button, and it will just add that chatbot to your Google site. So I'm going to place it at the right corner, bottom right corner, and here you can see it has just loaded that chatbot here. So if someone tap on this chat icon here, then they can actually interact with the AI, and AI will help that person to browse my website. But I don't insert or input any learning file from OpenAI or any other sources that are currently available on the internet. So you can see it is loading. So you can just tap on publish button here. Don't forget to publish the website. Now tap on publish, and here you can see it is publishing here. So I'm going to see the current website. Now view published website. and from here at the bottom you can see it's loading actually, so you have to wait until it loads up. Here you can see that I have just added the chatbot on my website, just with the embedded code, or I have just embedded the AI chatbot code on my Google sites. So that's how you can just add or embed Google sites, embed code in your Google sites. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.